We are going to be unboxing the SONY RM-1BP remote commander. Inside the box you have the unit itself, the remote commander, the manual, and the limited warranty. A little bit of plastic wrap. Well, there's your remote commander. On the device itself, it has manual focus controls, record review, record start stop, and here's your toggle for zooming, wide, narrow. Just on the side, there's a series of switches, toggles. You have your zoom direction, so you can actually reverse the direction of the zoom. And this zoom speed is actually a limiter. It's not actual indicating that you're going to be zooming slow, medium, or fast. Because in the fast mode, if you toggle it just slightly, your zoom will be nice and slow. But if you do it all the way, then your zoom will be nice and fast. Whereas if you modify the switch to slow, it'll just stay in slow no matter how fast or how much you turn the toggle. Comes with a nice wire length size. You can mount this to your tripod or wherever you need to. Even do a remote shoot. You can stand in front of the camera yourself. You probably have a good 6 feet here. And it's a 2.5 inch stereo jack, which fits into the LANC terminal on your camera. In the back of this is a clamp, so you can actually clamp it to your tripod or your pan tilt handle on your tripod. It's actually really nicely built. Is it worth 320 Canadian? Probably not, but it would be better, in my opinion, than having the RM-1BP remote commander, which is actually made for a DSLR camera as opposed to a camcorder, because it does have a shutter lock on it, which for a camcorder would be very useless. And on the RM-1BP, these are reversed. So you'd have your record down here, and your wide and narrow focus, or not focus, sorry, your wide and narrow zoom above the record button. So if you're using it as a thumb jog dialer or whatnot, there's a possibility that you'll hit the record stop button. So this is actually made for filming, as opposed to the RM-1BP, which is actually really made for a DSLR camera. But the price is about a third of what you pay for this particular model here. And there you have it, the unboxing of the SONY RM-1BP.